Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is Sriji English Wala. I hope you are doing great and you are learning with great way. Today topic is very important. I want to share some experience. Today topic is very important for every top difficulty. Main problem is that they face vocab problem. They thinks I don't have vocab. I don't have good amount of vocab in my bucket. So how I can speak in English without having a good amount of vocab? If you face this type of problem on a daily basis, this video for you. Stay tuned till end. You will find some method to build up your confidence. And if you face this type of problem, definitely your problem will be removed after watching this video. So first thing is that everyone thinks I don't have much vocab. I don't know many words. So how I can speak in English? So keep one thing in your mind. Children speaks with small sentence. As likewise, you speak with small sentence. Children express each and everything with small sentence. At least 15 and 100 words they know only. At a starting level, but they can express each and everything with the help of few words. So why you not? You can express each and everything with the small sentence. Second thing is that use only simple sentence. Yes, you don't try to use a complicated sentence like fantastic, amazing, gorgeous, elegant. This type of sentence is not suitable for you at a initial level. You can say this is a good, this is a nice, this is a okay. If you instead of saying this movie is you can say this movie is interesting. You don't need to use advanced word. You can start with simple sentence. Simple sentence is correct. Think is that what you know, just describe this thing in your conversation. Yes. Oh, you know already lot of word like eat, go, watch, use. You can use this word in your conversation. You can use this word in your conversation. Suppose आप कुछ खाते हैं, you can say I eat something. आप कहीं जाते हैं तो आप जानते हैं जाना गो होता है तो कह सकते हैं I go. यदि आप मार्केट जाते हैं तो I go to market. You can use what you know. Third thing is that talk to yourself. Yes, to yourself on daily basis. At least 5 minutes and 10 minutes you can talk to yourself in this language. And try to use simple word. Try to describe what you see around you. Just try to describe that things. And the fourth thing is that none a simple sentence. Yes, use a simple sentence and simple structure. It is a very easy to speak. It is a very to understand. Because sometimes I use it complicated English structure, English grammar, English pattern. It is not suitable for you or not suitable for me. Because we are a beginner, we are not habituated of this language. We are not familiar with this language like native speaker. We are not trained with this language. It is a secondary language. Everyone knows about that. So start with a small sentence. Start with a small word to speak. A small sentence gives confidence. Describe your daily routine on your own word and a simple sentence. You can describe your activity in small word, not a complicated word. This is a very important to improve your English language.